Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY paper cart, which is a great idea for decoration. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this we will be needing a cardboard box. I'm using a bangle box. You can use any other box that is available to you depending on how big or small you want to make it. And we're going to start by making a rough outline of the card, and with the pair of scissors I'm going to cut it out. This part can be a little tricky, so be sure to be very careful. You can y- take someone's help to cut this out. Okay, now this is done. Now I have cut out these two circles using cardboard, and these are going to represent the wheels of the cart. So do that. And I'm using red paint to decorate my cart. You can use any other colored paint, or you can even draw or do decorate it any way that suits you. I'm going to do the same with the wheels as well. I'm going to paint it red. Okay, now once the paint is done and it's dried, I'm going to paste the wheels on both the sides with the help of a glue. So you can use whatever glue that you have at home and paste the wheels on both the sides. I have already done this before, and I have decorated my wheels with these cute star stickers. You can decorate it any way that you want, and that is it. You can put any lightweight stationery, sharpeners, erasers, anything that you want. I'm putting chocolates onto mine, and that is our cart ready. I hope you like it and do make it at home. And thanks for watching.